Okay guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GTBank Music. So today I'll be doing this tutorial for the beginners in the house, okay? So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? And like I always say on my video, I'll be giving out $100 to 5 people, okay? All you just have to do is subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Make sure you comment, like, and watch the video till the end, okay? God bless you. So I'll be teaching you how you can play chord as a beginner. Some chord that you can play that is very sweet. That's what I'll be teaching you today. Also, those that are not beginners can also learn this breakdown. But this tutorial is basically for the beginners in the house. So make sure you watch till the end, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, so the key I'll be playing on is on F sharp, which is this, okay? I'll be teaching you on F sharp, but this key I'm on now, on A sharp. In case you want to do the rehearsal, you just do the rehearsal on A sharp, or you transpose to your A sharp. Teaching you on F sharp, okay? Teaching you on F sharp. So this tutorial is mainly for beginners, okay? I know most of you that know how to play the keyboard already, you can know what I'm going to teach you, or some of you can just still learn something from this video. Okay, so let me just use this song to just show you an example of what I want to teach you today. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. So what I'm playing here is just very simple, okay? So what I started with, I used this inversion of my do full chord, mi so do mi, okay? Thank you, I don't want to go advanced so that most of you will not get confused, because I want to do this for beginners. Yeah. So you go on your mi so do mi on your right hand, which is your A sharp, your C sharp, your F sharp, and your A sharp. Mi so do mi on your left. Then on your left, you go to your F sharp, your C sharp, and your F sharp, okay? As you strike on your do progression, you strike it like this. Thank you. You remain on your do already. Thank you, thank me. Then on this fee, you go to your G sharp, your C, your D sharp, and your G sharp, okay? Then on your left, you can apply your Re, which is your G sharp and your lower octave G sharp also. Peace. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank peace. Then your saw, you go to your G sharp here, your C sharp here, your F, and your G sharp, okay? Use your Re, so, ti, re. Re, so, ti, re. This one, mi, so, do, mi. Fi, re, fi, la, re. Okay? Mi, so, then re, so, ti, re. Thank you, Lord. Then on your left, on your saw, your so, re, so, which is your C sharp, G sharp, and your C sharp. Okay? See what I'm teaching you. Thank you, Lord. Then you go to your fa, so, fi, fa. After you play your thank you, Lord. So, fi, fa. Thank you, da da da, da da da, da da da, da da. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. Okay? So viva, then you go to do theta, which is your so and do, then your so and ti, then your so and ta. Okay, you go to your pam 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 pam. Then on your left, you strike your la mi la. Then you go to your mi so ti, then you go to your re. Re fa la re. Then you go to your so, then you strike your do. It's just some simple chord you can use to play this song. And there is this song you can use it to play any song. I'll just tell you the secret of how you can be able to use it to apply any song. Once you know the song progression of what you are playing, so if you want to go to your so. If you want to go to your re, you can strike your do theta as a passing chord before you go to your re. If you want to go to your so, you can strike your fi, so strike your fi before you go to your so. Okay? Re di re mi so viva. You can use this mi re di re mi so viva. Go to your re also. You can hold this re like this. Fa la re fa. Okay? So is this song by Max Michael. Let me just do a little touch of the chord I use to play that song, because most of you have been asking me to do the breakdown. So let me just do a little chord that I use there. In many ways they have tried to bring me down, but in different ways God came through for me. Many times they dig a pit for me. You can see it's just like I'm using the same thing of what I'm playing there, but the progression of that one is not the same. But if I want to go to my re, I'm using that same dirty star. Okay, so you can use it to play any song of your choice. In many ways they have tried to bring me down, but in different ways God. Many times they've dig a pit for me, but in different ways they fell into their pit. Okay, you can see. So the secret of this is that if you want to go to your so, you can strike your P, so just strike the exactly note of what I'm playing. It will enter. If you want to go to your so re do re do re mi so do viva. You can just be applying those notes. So you just have to relax your hand on the keys so that the strings or the pad will be flowing. Okay, you can use your strings also. You see? Okay, I hope you have learned something today. If you don't understand anything I'm playing here, you just drop your comments. I'm going to teach you more on this chord progression, okay? So thanks for joining. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. God bless you. See you on my next video.